Okay. Uh, Wednesday, the 14th. Micro E mini Nasdaq market recap. So I was looking for shorts today. And oh wait, let me fix this one sec. Yeah. Well, this is what I took today. I'll explain the reasoning behind it. I wanted to get filled around here, but I was in class and I literally only had my phone and I got filled in a super awkward spot. But I'll explain the reasoning I took this. It was a 1 to 2.5 R, 51. I mean, to me, this is in my eyes, it's more of a scalp. So I usually like my winners would probably, or the original trade I would have wanted would probably look like something like, probably would have looked around, it would have been like this. What I would have wanted probably would have been like, I mean, I would have wanted something like this for sure. I would have probably taken this. But I was in class and I didn't really have time. But anyways, explaining the scalp, starting from, do this real quick. So, from the daily, fix this. Okay, delete all this stuff. Okay, so from the daily, we swept, we took out this, and we were trading within this range. We were trading with this fair value up right here. I kind of misinputted it, but yeah, okay. We were trading within this range. The way we were just like from market, I wasn't really looking to continue higher. I was looking for shorts, just because like kind of like from this wick, and we already we took this level out. So I wasn't really looking for longs today. I was looking for any possible short setups, not like, I mean, kind of scalps today was the play for me, but anyways, going into the 4 hour candle, kind of just staying in this area here. But there's this range that got taken out. Say the 14th? Yeah. This range got taken out, which I probably would have targeted this year to be swept before we continue higher. And then on the 1 hour, same thing. I probably would have targeted this buy side here, would probably have been my draw for shorts. Same buy side, same buy side, same buy side. Okay, now going to what I did take today, how I wanted it to be different, but very good confluences. Okay, so I literally was not looking at any of this because I was in class, but we we took, okay, so my reasoning behind going short was look, so in a big view of things, we took out one, two, three, four, five. We took out a ton of internal sell side liquidity. A ton of internal sell side liquidity was taken out. And not even that, just that, but I had here I can show you. So I was looking for shorts too. So after we swept this final range, which was off this candle, I got around the charts here, bro. Like, this was because I was on my phone. I didn't really have it set up. It was in a class, but I got around the charts here. So we swept sell side right here. Just gonna mark this as I'm just gonna mark that as sell side with would have been from range to range. So I mean, I think I would have maybe targeted this, but let's see. I hit a trailing stop here. Okay, but probably the play would be it would be a scalping play. I mean, I did scalp, but here I'll show you what happened. So 3, 5. Yeah, I just targeted this range. I just went level to level, but anyway, so sell side here. Pre-market. Saw a pre-market run. Judas swing. Call it Judas swing. Sweep sell side. After we sweep sell side, we leave this. But more notably, after we swept that internal range, we left this right here, which also pierced into this. So if I was probably trading, I would have, if I was on the charts earlier, I would have had a limit. I would have had a limit order here, and it would have gotten reached. But I only saw this move when we were already coming down, like right around here is when I saw the move, and I saw like how market structure was playing. So I think I shorted, yeah, I shorted like around here. Just not, I mean, I wanted to short here. It is what it is though. Still took a W, but yeah. So the play was you sweep sell side. Sweep sell side right here. Leave a fair value gap. Retrace into it. And that's one of the high probable models. Everything aligns. Your bias, your narrative. We swept a ton of internal ranges. There's nowhere else to go. We're in a daily fair value gap. Just target lower, get a quick scalp in, and yeah. So this probably would have been the play. Would have been limit here, your stop here, and just targeting the closest internal range. Scalps like these, I mean, you could have also targeted here. You could have also targeted even this. And I probably would have wanted this, but sometimes your draw isn't always right. I mean, look though, I was off after this, but look, after we swept, like I'm telling you, we swept, now we swept this sell side. I haven't looked at this yet, but we swept this sell side. How the model works is you want to take your entry off a sweep a sweep of an internal range of liquidity targeting external liquidity if you want a longer term trade, or internal liquidity if you just want to scalp. So look, we swept this liquidity right here. What do we leave? We left one. I'm just gonna mark it up. It's one not. Shit could get marked. Yeah, all right, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So you want to enter off your first presented fair value gap off the internal range with the energetic retracement. So the entry you want to take according to the model would be this. So we create this fair value gap, go back into it, stop at the other candle, target the daily draw. Oh shit. This is still playing out right now. I mean, let's see if it plays, doesn't play. Well, if not, I mean, just protect your trade. Like, just have a trailing stop like right here. If I were to see this level taken out, I would not continue. I would not believe this continue lower. So I would just have like a trailing stop right here. Okay, that's my draw though. So I would be targeting anything there. But yeah, like presents itself multiple times. If you wanted an A plus setup, you'd wait for this. And you wouldn't get it like today, you wouldn't get it, but yeah. And also there was SMT here. Yeah, there was SMT here. If we go to, it's another reason I took this 940. Where were we? We had SMT somewhere. Let me see. SMT. Yeah, I remember seeing an SMT somewhere. Dude, I remember seeing an SMT. Oh wait, I could just do this. Sorry. Just always go like this. Shit, not like that. I mean, yeah, okay. And then go MNQ. And then we do this. Sorry, one sec. Okay. Okay. So now, easier to do it, but okay. There was SMT for sure. I remember there being SMT behind that. But yeah, internal range retracement, first presented fair value gap, along with your narrative and daily draw. But because I remember I was like, oh shit, SMT. Where was it? Is it 936? Oh, why was it on? It was I think it was very a very minimal internal SMT. But I noticed this. This is so minimal, but still. There's also this SMT. It's like you could probably notice it by a fucking. Oh, that's low key not SMT. Yeah, I'm a rock. Anyways, usually there's SMT when some shit like this happens. There was it somewhere. I don't know. There, I saw SMT somewhere, maybe on a 5 minute time frame. But yeah, there was SMT as well. But yeah, little scalp here. Trade with your narrative. The XFA's out the desert. Shit. I took this right here, like this. So let's put that. But yeah, that's what I took. Anyone else took any trades? W to you. Bucket, swept the range, retraced, presented to the fair value gap, and delivered. But yeah, you took any trades, stuck to your rules. W. May 14th market recap.